Yo, how you doing today? I'm in Uluwatu, finally arrived. Long time didn't been here. Yo, what's up, man? Just at the front of the single fin, Blue Point, or whatever you call this, also Pantai Sulaban. We'll see how's the situation. Meanwhile, it's beautiful day today. Single fin bar seems still very quiet. It's something about 5:15, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Have to go down. I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks the surf village here and how it looks the life today. Surfers, always great vibes here, but so many stairs, always have to go down. We will see how's the stairs, and more stairs, but the view will be beautiful over there. What's up? One bar open here, loud music, massage ladies over here. Here is closed actually, but it's okay. So loud, surfboards, surfers. Even this pool is open today, that's actually pretty good sign. Meanwhile, I will show you around how it looks like. This is the surf village, so many surf clothes, surfers, surfboards, stuff like this. But actually it's not as that busy as I was hoping. It's just the one bar open actually. I'm not sure if the beach is open, so have to go. Meanwhile, this is like a little bit memorial walk for everyone who are familiar with this area. If not, and you would like to come here one day, it's the great place for surfing or having drink overlooking the ocean. But it's a little bit too early for the sunset, so I need to show a little bit around. Interesting graffiti mural. However, the surf village, which is over there, is quiet. Not so many life here. Normally here there are photographers and some small warungs where you can fix your surfboard. However, seems like, well, it's not as that busy as I was expecting. However, maybe it's not the right time. I don't know. That's how it looked like. Hello. That's how it looked like. And the Pantai Suluban. Pantai Suluban is open, but so many stairs. I have to go down. This is actually quite danger here. You have to always be careful how you walk, and you can choose this path or this path. I choose this one, and we'll see how it's on the beach. Hello. Okay. Whoa, so many sellers here. Sally. All right, how are you? All good, yeah? Damien. Yeah, nice to meet you, girls. And this is the beautiful cave beach. Long time ago, before the single fin and any bars was open, that was called cave beach. At least what I read somewhere. So that's how it looks, the situation. This is the entrance for the surfers and some surfers walking. And also this is the beautiful place for any kind of Instagram pictures. Or maybe if you are a professional photographer also, because it's just in general very nice. Been here already many times, but that's been actually longer while when I was here last time, so it's always a good opportunity to come and see how is the situation. Like I said, some beaches are open, some of them closed. This one luckily is open, and it's actually beautiful. So many pictures, photo session around, girls, surfers, tourists and locals. Beautiful place. You can comment below if you ever been here on that beach, and comment below if you've been here before the development, like this one, for example. But yeah, and here is the secret entrance. If you're gonna pass it a little bit, there are rocks, and you can go to the another beach over here. But only if it's low tide. But you have to be careful. I have a shoe, so I'm not sure if that was the best idea today because it's water here. However, it's very beautiful here. So it's very beautiful beach here, as you see. It's hidden, it's only accessible if it's low tide. Like I said, comment below if you ever been here. And yeah, I'm gonna go now to the top, show you a little bit of the village and the single fin bar. Maybe I'm gonna have some drink and watching sunset, so I hope so. Meanwhile, I just wanted to mention some beaches in Uluwatu are open and some of them they are closed. Unfortunately, Padang Padang, many people like Padang Padang, it's closed. I don't know, for some reason, but this one, it's open, so it's pretty cool. Okay, see you on the top. Well, basically it's not that easy to walk upstairs to on this beach, but imagine long time ago when there was no stairs, how's the people walk around. I'm very curious if you remember this place before this, when it was really like virgin place. That was like 50 years ago, 40 years ago, I guess, I reckon. And yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. We're gonna go grab some drink. We will see how's the life. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset. I'm surprised as this place is open actually, because many other places are closed currently. But yeah, that's how it looks like. It's still lucky as this place is open today, especially as it's weekend time. About last year at similar time there was so many people here when I going up. Was so many people, but now nobody. All right, it's time for drink. This is the first walk through the famous single fill bar. Well, the view is here magnificent, spectacular, but is it busy? Yeah, actually some people around. Inside nobody, outside somebody. We will see. In general, how does it look like? Waiters waiting. Yo, what's up? So was busier during the current situation, but I think many people went home already. Well, that's actually the fact. Many people went home, and it's the weekend today, so supposed to be these tables everywhere supposed to be full booked, but it's almost nobody here. So that's the sign of something sad, actually, pretty sad. Sunset is in just half hour, so it's not that early. Yo, what's up? How you doing? So yeah, that's how it looked like. Here is only one local tourist, I think. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Waiting for sunset. Meanwhile, there are some surfers around. Not so many, but still few. And well, empty. Really not so busy. The good news is the swimming pool is here open, which is actually something new, refreshed, because when I was last time it was closed, and even I flew the drone was closed. But yeah, empty. I don't know how long it's gonna take. However, that's how it looked like. Just wanna show you quickly. Waiting for my drink. Well, cheers, guys. Not so busy, I have to say. I thought it will be more busier because they open only for weekends, which is now just Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they close for 4 days. And I was expecting it will be really busy here because they said as this open just because there are people at that time, but doesn't look like optimistic. So I think many surfers from Uluwatu who used to stay here also went home, because like Padang Beach is basically surfer beach, and it remains closed for some reason. I don't really know why, but remains closed. So that's mean as the surfers cannot surf there. And in my opinion, the people who are living in Uluwatu right now, they are usually surfers, and they are interested to having a surf and a few bintangs. But if it's not allowed, so what's the point for them to be here, right? I don't know, that's at least my point of view, and seems like it's the consequences as it's really empty. Sunset will be just in few minutes, so if people don't come till now, that means they will not come anymore. So that's sad, that's pretty sad. It's finished, and beautiful swimming pool. That's actually beautiful view from this area, and well, except this couple here, nothing has changed, so it's super quiet. But it's very famous area of Uluwatu. Maybe Balangan Beach is only more busier, but I'm not sure if Balangan Beach is open. Maybe next time I will visit there. Meanwhile, please comment below if you have ever been in this area of Uluwatu. I make a few vlogs already before and was much busier than it's today. If some of you who are watching me daily, you should recognize this place. Meanwhile, that's how it looked like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.